What is up, YouTube? It's Time Mac. So it is March 12th, I think, and we just got a snowstorm Saturday. Against all odds, we got like, say, maybe a little over 6 inches. Some spots are bare because it was very windy and it was a little warm today. But needless to say, we got some snow to ride on. And I actually finally got my sled set up and running good. I got the stock suspension put back in it, or, the stock suspension, but I tried a different setup with the extensions to try to get more height out of the track, and for some reason I just didn't have something right, and it just had no suspension whatsoever. And it was just ride on the ground. It just didn't run nice. So I put the old suspension setup back in it, and now I actually don't not like the stance. It's not high, but it's not a bad stance, and it just runs a lot nicer now. So yeah, I want to do some vlogging here for you guys and show you this thing actually running and riding. The Thundercat that we put so much work into. Got one more chance, I think, to go for a ride tomorrow. Try and get a GoPro video for you guys. Set up the GoPro tonight, the battery charged. But yeah, because it's gonna be 60 tomorrow and 60 the rest of the week, so this stuff is gonna be gone. But all right, guys, I'll get you some video here of this thing running and what it sounds like.